This is a Lamicall branded magnetic phone grip, pop-out grip. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to buy it, I've seen it MSRP of $19.99, but I've also seen it for sale for $12.99. So it's going to cost you somewhere between 12 and 20 bucks. All right, so in the package, we have the magnetic grip ring itself. We have some instructions for use, and then another thing that says instructions for use. And if your phone does not have the Magsafe ring on it already, they include a magnetic ring and some things you can clean your phone off and stick to your phone so that this guy will snap to it. So weight-wise, this guy adds just slightly over 1 ounce to your phone. It's 1.02 ounces. If you're looking at grams, it's 29 grams. So if you're going to be adding this metallic ring to a phone or a case, it's negligible extra weight here. It's like 2 to 3 grams of weight. So it's very thin, very light. You might notice it by feel on your phone, but you're not going to really notice an extra weight there. So it snaps to the back of your phone. You put a finger under here, you can lift it out, and you can basically hold your phone with this guy. It'll rotate around, so you can rotate this to be however you want to hold it. So you can snap this guy into there and then rotate it so that it works as a kickstand. So as a vertical kickstand, your phone really lays quite far back there. So I think it's really most useful to rotate this around like this and have this as kind of a horizontal kickstand. Aesthetics-wise, it's black plastic. The center part here looks like it'll hold fingerprints and smudges a bit. The outside bits are kind of a matte that won't show stuff. I think I'd almost prefer not to have the logo on it. I like the feel of this. It's not really, I don't think it's real leather, but it kind of feels like leather. I like the feel of that strap between my fingers. It feels better than something plasticky. So some phones will have the magnetic ring on the back, but if you're attaching this to the outside of a phone case, they also include instructions here with some templates for some common phones that show you basically exactly where to put this ring, on the outside of the phone case as well. So I've been very impressed with the strength of these magnets here. You can hear that thunk when it clipped on there, but I'm picking up my entire laptop with this guy, and like if I want to pull this off, pulling it straight up is very difficult. It's much easier to slide this thing off to the side to get it off, but I can just pick up a laptop with that guy, so the strength of the magnets there is not a concern for me. So I actually put this ring on my laptop to mount other accessories, but I figured while it's there, I might as well have something that makes it easier to grip and hold onto my laptop while I'm carrying it around. So I can make use of this accessory as well as external hard disk drives or a power bank that plugs into that. So it's really just a ring of magnets. It'll stick to any metal surface there, so you could use it just as a magnet on just about anything metal. And it's hefty there. That thing is pretty good. I suspect if I put it near the edge of the door, I could easily open the door there. So if you're missing a handle in your fridge, you could just make do with something like this. Trying to get it off without. There. Whew. So I like the fact it's magnetically attached. That means you can take it off your phone if you don't need it. Taking your phone somewhere where you don't want the extra ounce of weight, you can just take it off and leave it at home. But when you do want to have a kickstand or the kind of handle on the back, you just snap it right on and there it is.